Welcome back guys, thank you very much for joining me. Today we're just going to do a really quick video of how to make a nice, neat, clean silicone bead line without using any tools. It's only because today I was on site and I got asked, Dan, how did you do that mate without any tools? Well, it's actually quite simple. All you're going to really need is a roll of masking tape. That's all you're going to need. You can, however, have additional pieces of kit, such as this old bank card that I've just cut the edges off to desired lengths. Each one has a different purpose, meaning obviously showers, trays, bath line, toilet lines, or even a scraper with the edges cut off for bigger purposes. So you can, however, use cheap tools. I mean, I think this was about 40p from Homebase, so it's next to nothing really. It's certainly a lot better than buying all these kits that you can buy, unless you're going to use it more often. But if you're going to use it on a general DIY purpose at home, maybe once in a while, then you don't need to go out and buy all these tools that you're really not going to need. So what we're going to do is apply the masking tape a few mil off the surface where we need it, equally along a line. So what you're going to do, as I said, is apply the masking tape with a few mil off the surface that you're applying the silicone to. Just like that, all the way along, equal spacing. And then you're going to apply the masking tape to this side as well. So again guys, equal spacing. Measure it if you want, from top to bottom, all the way along. You will get parts of the tape that drifts, so you're just going to have to adjust that to suit. Just like that. All the way along, nice and neat. Make sure you run your fingers along it as well to make sure that the tape is fully down. So as you can see, we've got a nice clean gap there where the silicone is going to be applied, equal spacing either side. Now we're going to go ahead and apply the silicone. You don't want to go crazy with it. Just a nice equal amount all the way along. Once the silicone's been applied, we're then going to run our finger smoothly down it. If you don't want to use your finger, you can use those cards that I referred to earlier if you really want to, but your finger's fine. So a nice, smooth, swift action. One move straight across. Then we're going to wipe it off. And then again, we're going to go for it again. Thinning the line as we go. Take care to clean your finger thoroughly before you do the line again. So now what we're going to do is leave that for a few minutes just to let it set slightly, and then we're going to go ahead and remove the tape. So we're just going to grab it on one side and we're going to pull in an upwards fashion like that. So we're pulling away from the silicone line. Now on the bottom one, of course, we're going to pull this way, so it's away from the silicone line so we don't damage it. Just like that. Perfect. All in all though, as you can see, a nice, clean, equal bead of silicone. No mess. Told you it was going to be a quick one today, didn't I? So if it has helped you, make sure you give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next video guys.